Good day everyone and welcome back to BFA501. In this video, I'm going to guide you to understand about SQL. SQL or Structured Query Language is the standard language for Relational Database Management System, or also known as RDBMS. Some commonly used RDBMS are Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and MySQL. SQL statements itself are used to perform tasks such as update data on a database or retrieve data from a database. But for the purpose of this unit lab, we are going to focusing only using SQL to fetch or to extract data from the database. The lab activities in this unit will be conducted using MySQL as RMDBS or Relational Database Management System. Uh, I'm gonna start with the introduction on the very basic query syntax in SQL or in structured query language. So in SQL, the very basic syntax is consists of two keywords. The first keyword is select and the second one is from. Select always followed by the name of the columns of a database of a table, and from always followed by the name of the table. Okay, I will show you how to conduct a query. So once we connected with our lab database, we have three different tables over here: products, sales, and temperatures. So the very basic syntax in SQL consists of two keywords, as I mentioned before. The first one is select, and the second one is from. Okay. In SQL statement, we can use either all capital or uppercase, or also mix between uppercase and lowercase. But as a convention, it is prescribed that while every time we are typing an SQL command, for each keyword, we're supposed to use the capital or the uppercase. Um, the very basic idea of these two keywords is select always followed by the name of the column in a table, and from always followed by the name of the table. So for example, I want to see the data which is stored in products table. This is a table name, the products table. So from will be followed by products. Okay. And an SQL statement always ended by semicolon, like this. Okay. If we don't know uh, what is the name of the column in this table, we can also use this asterisk symbol. Asterisk means all. So this statement can be read as select all from products. It means that I want to see the whole columns from table products. Okay, and then I will execute this command by pressing this button, and there we go. This is the result of the query. So from this, we know that the table products consists of two columns: product ID, product CD or product code, and flavor. And these are all the data that's stored in this table. And if we want to see the column flavor only from the table products, then we need to modify the SQL statement to become select flavor from products. I will execute the command again. Like this. So in this case, we only see flavor from table products. Okay, let's start. Let's do for another table. For example, I want to see all the data from table sales, and I want to see the whole column. So will use select all from, because I want to see the content of the data which is stored in table cells. So I will select all from cells, and then I will re-execute again. Okay, so this is all the data which is stored in table cells. So if I want to see the column cells and unit cost only, then I need to modify this one. Select, for example, cells, comma, unit cost, for example. So in this case, it means that select, I want to see, or I want to get column cells and column unit cost from table cells. Don't get confused here, because the name of the table can be the same with the name of the column. Okay, and this is all the data that we have. See, only cells and unit costs. Okay, and okay, guys, I think this is the first clip for the introduction to SQL. Hopefully this explanation really helpful for you, and you can have a good understanding of the very basic or the very first SQL statement. I will review again. So the things that we learned in this video is two keywords in SQL statements. The first one is select, and the second one is from. From always followed by the name of the table. So if you want to see the data from table cells, so the from will follow by the name of the table, which is cells here. Select always followed by the name of the column. So which column that you want to see. Okay, and from is followed by the name of the table, which table that we want to see. That's all, guys, and see you next time in the next clip. Have a good day.